My name is Leo Villareal, and I'm an artist based in New York City. We're here looking at Celestial Garden, which is an installation I've created in the dome room at the Schwarzman Center. For a few years now, I've been working with generative code. And it started out as these NFT projects online with Cosmic Reef and then Bloom. And I realized there was tremendous potential. We have 10 projectors that are surrounded at the base of the dome, and they're mapped so that it becomes one continuous surface. And we have a powerful computer that's running custom code that we've developed. It's presenting multiple layers of sequences. Like there's some sequences which are these kind of background forms, then there are these star fields, and then there's a distortion layer, and all this is happening in real time. It's non-repeating. We'll never repeat the exact same progression twice. There's no beginning, middle, or end, and there's nothing to get. In addition to the projections, we have a sound element to accompany what we're seeing, and there are shifts. When the sequences shift, the sound shifts subtly as well. I started out making light sculpture, and it was a slow path of group shows and then solo shows, and eventually I made my first public artwork in 2003 at PS1 MoMA. What I realized then was that there is a huge role for art to play out in the world and engaging with the public. And I realized a lot of the people that were seeing my piece were never going to come into the museum. So how can we engage people, and how do we bring art out to them? Well, I'm thrilled to be showing my work at Yale. I learned a lot here as an undergraduate, and it really changed my life. And a lot of my classmates ended up becoming incredible artists. And it's very exciting to see the space activated. And I guess for a long time, there was a drop ceiling here and no one could even see the dome. But now that's been revealed, and it's quite extraordinary to activate it in this way. And in a way, this is kind of the center of the campus of Yale. One of the things that I love about the Schwarzman Center is the communication, that it's open to everyone. There's a real deep engagement to the public. And I really hope that everyone on the street and in New Haven and beyond feels comfortable coming here and enjoying it. At the end of the day, it's not about the technology for me. It's really about the ideas and being connected to art. So I'm artist first. Having this communal nature, I think, is probably the essence of what I'm trying to do.